In the United States, Arizona's top court has upheld an 1864 law that bans nearly all abortions. Now, this decision will have far-reaching consequences for women's health care and reproductive rights, as well as in the coming presidential elections in the country. Now, the 1864 law, which precedes Arizona becoming a state, makes abortion punishable by 2 to 5 years in prison. There are no exceptions for cases of rape or incest, although there is an exception when the mother's life is at risk. The Arizona Supreme Court ruled 4-2 in favor of the anti-abortion obstetrician. Although it is on hold for 14 days to allow parties to raise arguments at the trial court level, the ruling by Arizona's top court on the 160-year-old near-total abortion ban could lead to the closure of all clinics in the state.
Arizona's 2022 abortion ban is extreme and hurts women. And the near-total Civil War-era ban that continues to hang over our heads only serves to create more chaos for women and doctors in our state. As governor, I promised I would do everything in my power to protect our reproductive freedoms.
The fight over abortion access in Arizona is far from over. Arizona voters may be able to undo the ruling in a November referendum. Activists in the state say they have already met the signature threshold required to put the question to voters this autumn. The American President Joe Biden has also raised his concerns over the decision. He says millions of Arizonans will soon live under an even more extreme and dangerous abortion ban. Further adding, the ruling is a result of the extreme agenda of Republican elected officials who are committed to ripping away women's freedom.
There are now 21 extreme state abortion bans in effect across the country. 1/3 of all women of reproductive age now live in a state with an abortion ban. And all of these bans, including the one upheld today that was upheld by the Arizona Supreme Court, are a direct result of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade.
Arizona joins 14 other states with near-complete abortion bans. It also marks the latest legal setback for abortion rights following a ruling last week by the Florida Supreme Court that cleared the way for a Republican-backed law banning abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy to take immediate effect. Now, such rulings in America come after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned the federal right to abortion in the landmark 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling that had made access to abortion a constitutional right nationwide. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.